Dementia is the most common diagnosis among nursing home residents. As you know, it's frequently the cause of admission to the nursing home. People just get so bad they can't stay home anymore. This survey done in 2010 estimated that approximately 50% of nursing home residents had the diagnosis of dementia. Even though there's so many people in nursing homes with dementia, the behavior of the resident with dementia is at the heart of many attempted evictions. So sometimes, you know, the resident has violent behavior. Some people go through a stage in the dementia continuum, the process, where they do get violent, and maybe those people are justified, maybe the facilities are justified in evicting those people. But eviction of a dementia resident, because the care is more difficult or more costly, is impermissible. It contradicts the level of care that nursing homes are required to provide to their residents. And this is why I think Linda talked about this, and careful development of the care plan is critical. The plan really should have identified the resident's difficult behavior and developed a plan to deal with it. That's why it's important that family members, you know, participate in the development of the care plan. So any questions, comments? Yes, sir.
The nursing home can't dump the patient out on the street, right? Just can't leave it, right?
That's
So
what the regulations
has to go
say.
someplace, right?
Yes.
What if there's no place for the patient to go? No place will accept it? Does the current home have to keep it or keep the patient?
That's the, you know, it has to be an appropriate placement. And if there's no appropriate placement, the current nursing home has to keep it.
So the current nursing home has to find a place that's going to take this patient, because if the family doesn't do anything, then they're stuck. Right?
That's why there's so much strong arming of family members. You know, they'll say, hey, you know, you can't stay here anymore, you gotta take it back. And the family member says, well, I can't, he was with me and I wasn't able to handle it. No, I'm sorry, you gotta make arrangements. That's what you usually hear, because they're looking to discharge and they have to find an appropriate placement. They can call that an appropriate placement.
The facility also has to take the patient back from the hospital. So if there's a behavior and a long-term care facility sends the patient to the hospital wants to send the patient back. The facility can't say to the hospital, no.
I mean, that's a great point. Thanks for bringing it up, because it happens all the time. You know, they're sending them out for a hospital stay. All of a sudden there's, oh, sorry, we don't have any more beds for you. I didn't realize that, you know, until I read this over, right, that they have to take them back and they have to follow the usual discharge procedures.
They try not to, but they have to.
Yes, Victor.
Doc, are you experiencing anybody getting hip to the idea that they both have to disclose what the limitations are and then key the plan to those limitations to almost set the tracks ahead of them to know, you know, look, if this is something that could become a problem, let's paper our ways ready to go? Are you seeing that out in the wild? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any, I'm not seeing that because I don't see too many clients who have really participated in the development of the care plan. They attend the meetings, but you know, go along with the recommendations of the experts, the doctors. Anything to add? Okay. Anything else? Comments or questions?
I was just going to say that the concerns about the family of somehow poisoning the well is pretty deep. In other words, you know, why should I stay somewhere where they don't want me? And the feeling that the care is going to be different if there is an objection that's voiced. And so I think it's kind of a hard judgment from the family as to whether or not they want to go down the process of trying to force someone to stay in a facility that is telling them repeatedly, we can't do anything for you, we can't manage this person, they're better off somewhere else. But so it's a, you know, I mean, as much as the regulations allow to fight, and you might have some of those cases, I think problem at the next facility. And they
That's
kind
in
of
my-
move along from one facility to the next because they're combative as a result of dementia.
That's been my experience too. I mean, people just feel as though if they push back, there's gonna be some retaliation or they're not gonna get appropriate care, so we better move them out. So even if they, resist, even if they, manage to delay it, the goal is to move them somewhere else.
Does the receiving home have to know the arrangements for leaving the other facility, or is it
There's
a
a-
blank
there's-
slate?
Can I comment on that?
You can negotiate that sometimes.
Yeah. I was just gonna say that, was exactly the point I was gonna make there. Any facility that's looking to admit someone is going to want paperwork from the prior facility. And, I mean, I've seen this happen, scores of times, if not hundreds, where as soon as they see something about, patient is, whatever the verbiage is, difficult, combative, aggressive, forget it, that's it. They're not gonna take them, because they know that what's going on. So that's, a particularly hard situation.
The red flag goes up too when, the Jones home will take Mr. Smith back, so we got the referral, why won't they take him back? So it raises the red flag when somebody's not taking, or looking to not take someone back, but all of a sudden somebody gets a new referral of this person who's maybe lives somewhere for 6 months or so.
Don, do you want to talk a little about how the ombudsman's office can intervene in these situations?
Oh, sure. Well, actually, it was the first case I ever had, where I was trying to stop one of these evictions. Didn't know a whole lot about, really much of anything about, all these regulations that we're operating under. I found the office, the ombudsman office, to be, super helpful, very responsive, and, educated me on, what the law said, and, they let the facility know that what it was doing was wrong. I can't remember exactly what they were doing that was wrong, but you stepped in and said, this is not the appropriate, way to go about it. As I recall, the office itself couldn't take any action. I don't think they could go to court at that time, maybe it's different, but at that time, they couldn't, but that gave us a chance. Now they were dealing with the state agency, they being the nursing home. And we got an opportunity to go to court. And that, even though, I don't think we even made the hearing date, there was some accommodation that was reached. But once they saw we were gonna we filed an order to show cause, and we had citations to deficiencies that they had in their notice and in the actions that they took, reached some kind of a settlement. Bill, is it the office now able to go to court for different residents? Do you know?
Not that I'm aware.
Okay.
I have one question.
Yes.
How does the mandatory arbitration clause that is now ubiquitous in all of the contracts that you sign, how does that impede your ability to, let's say you have a situation like the eviction, how does that affect your ability to go to court?
Well, one thing I've done, the only thing that comes to mind as soon as you said that is I changed my power of attorney and didn't give the agent the right to agree to arbitration. That helped.
Okay.
Okay.
So.
I assume that if they have the right to agree to arbitration and they agree that we're gonna have to arbitrate it.
Okay, but they won't allow a patient to even come into the facility unless this agreement is signed and it's in there.
Yeah, but that's true. They want a signed agreement, but they
And let's
want,
say-
they want people in the facility.
Yeah.
So a lot of times people will come and I'll be reviewing an admission agreement. We'll make all kinds of changes to the agreement and they'll accept it.
They will?
Yeah, we just try it.
Well,
They will accept it.
I
They
went
want
about it a little bit
residents.
differently,
I'm
but,
sorry.
yeah, okay. The other question is, any of this, does this have to be in writing, like, do they have to give you a written copy of the care plan? There's a lot, there may be some verbal, but is there,
I guess so,
Yes.
because the clients that come, they have copies of care plans.
Yeah.
Yes,
If-
they do.
if you ask for a written copy and they say, no, we can't give it to you, what do you do about that? I mean, they can stonewall the situation.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I haven't come up against
Yeah,
that, but
okay.
people, people come, they do have copies of the care plan. or
Yeah,
they-
are
or
you
they get them.
entitled to it?
I don't know, are they entitled?
Yes, the resident of a nursing home is entitled to a copy of the care plan, they're entitled to get a copy of their chart.
Okay, but let's say the person has dementia and doesn't even know his own name. How does a family member, obtain that?
If a person is the designated healthcare proxy,
And say they don't have a designated healthcare proxy?
then you're gonna end up, somebody applying for guardianship. If there's no power of
Okay.
attorney, there's no guardian,
Okay,
and the facility isn't engaging with the person who is always there helping out the resident,
okay.
then there's gonna be a need for some legal remedy. And it could very well be that short of guardianship, that, one could, pursue a protective action under the statutes and get a court order to require disclosure.
Okay.
I feel like that would be a case I'd call the ombudsman and
Yes,
request
yes.
some assistance there.
Yeah,
And if that's all you
absolutely.
want is the medical record, I think the ombudsman would kind of help smooth that over and all of a sudden it would show up.
I mean,
Yeah.
the ombudsman is really helpful.
Yeah, they
really
are.
They know a lot about the
They do.
law, and, there's attorneys down there, and they make calls, and they send out letters, so